everything in this video is only imagination. If you have your own ideas, please share them in the comments. Let's go underwater. Imagine the ocean, silent, vast, unpredictable. For decades, the deep sea has been a place that humans could not fully control. But what if the future battlefield includes the ocean itself? Not with submarines the size of buildings, but with countless quiet machines, small, coordinated, unseen, undersea drone swarms. A swarm is not about strength. It is about presence, awareness, communication, persistence. Instead of one large submarine, imagine hundreds of small, autonomous, underwater gliders, each one the size of a suitcase, each one silent, each one able to change direction with only small adjustments in buoyancy and fin angle. No engine roar, no propeller trail, just motion guided by the water itself. The structure of an underwater glider could be simple. A hydrodynamic body for smooth travel, a pressure-resistant shell, thin control fins, and sensors that detect temperature, pressure, and magnetic changes. Some might carry passive sonar, not to attack, but to listen, to understand, to know where others in the swarm are. In shallow waters, the swarm spreads wide. In deep trenches, it compresses into tight formation. Each unit shares only simple signals, but from those signals emerges collective intelligence. Like a school of fish, like migrating whales, it moves without a leader. The swarm could monitor underwater cables, track ocean currents, detect illegal dumping, map coastlines silently, guide rescue teams after storms, or simply observe the ocean for science. Strengths: silent motion, distributed intelligence, hard to track, can cover large areas for long periods. Weaknesses: currents can scatter the swarm. Pressure changes require strong materials. Communication underwater is slow and limited. Every technology has balance. There is no perfect design. materials get lighter, as underwater sensors improve, as machine coordination becomes smoother. The ocean may not be empty anymore, not loud, not violent, just watched quietly. This is all conceptual and speculative. Your ideas matter. Share your thoughts below. If you'd like to explore more quiet future war concepts, you're welcome to subscribe. No pressure.